Hello dear students, very good morning all of you. We are learning your 9th standard mathematics chapter, which is polynomial. In the previous video, we have started your solving your practice set 3.3. In the practice set 3.3, we have completed up to question number 4. Now today we will start with the question number 5. We have to divide the given polynomial by both the methods of division. First is the synthetic method of division and second one is the linear method of division. Let's start. This is example number 5 from practice set 3.3. See, the given polynomials are x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 2 minus 8 plus x plus 4. Okay. Now this is the first polynomial called as dividend and this is the second polynomial called as divisor. See, dividend is what? X raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 2 minus 8. Now we can write the coefficient form of it, where what is the coefficient form? If we write it in the order of descending order of polynomial, how we can write this is x raised to 4 minus 0x raised to 3 plus minus 3x raised to 2 minus plus 0x minus 8. This is the descending form of polynomial powers. It is x raised to 4, x raised to minus x raised to 3, x raised to 2, x raised to nothing is 1 and here x raised to 0, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay. So coefficient form is what? 1, then this is 0, minus 3, 0 and minus 8. Divisor is what? This term, second polynomial x plus 4. Now divisor is equal to x plus 4, which is the opposite of 4 is minus 4. Okay. The opposite of 4 is what? Minus 4. That's why we will solve it. Now by synthetic method we have solved the 4 examples before the 5th example in the practice at 3.3 itself. See, for the solving this example by the synthetic method, what we will do, we will have one vertical line and one horizontal line. Then the line, above the vertical line, what we will write? We will write minus 4, which is opposite of 4 of divisor. Then in the first row we will write the coefficient form. Coefficient form is 1, 0, minus 3, 0 and minus 8. We will write it 1, 0, minus 3, 0 and minus 8. Okay. Now next, the first coefficient we will copy as it is in the third row. So 1 is copied as it is in the third row. 0, now this 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. So 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Now this minus 4 into this minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4 is 16. Minus 3 and 16 is 13. Okay. Minus plus, it becomes the minus and sign of bigger number, so 13. Now this 13 into minus 4, 13 into minus 4 is 52, 0 minus 52 is minus 52. Now the answer is minus 52. So minus 52 minus 4, the answer will be 408, minus 8 and 408, 208 is 200. So these are the coefficients of the quotients. What are the coefficients? 0, minus 4, 13, minus 52 and 200. So quotient is x raised to 3, we have to just convert it, x raised to 3 minus 4x raised to 2. Now what is the quotient? 13 plus 13x and this is minus 52. The last number is always the remainder, so remainder is 200. Okay. Now the quotient is x power 3 minus 4x power 2 plus 13x minus 52 and remainder is 200. Okay. This is what we have solved the polynomial by using the synthetic method of division. Now we will move towards the linear method of division. For the linear method of division, we will take into account these two polynomials. Now for replacing the first term, what we have to do with this term, with the second polynomial, we will think on that. See, to get the term x raised to 4, whereas x raised to 4 is the first term of the dividend, what we have to do, we have to multiply x plus 4, x plus 4 is the divisor, by x raised to 3 and subtract x raised to 4x raised to 3. Now x raised to 3 we will multiply to x plus 4 minus 4x raised to 3 minus 3x raised to 2 minus 8 as it is. See, minus 3x raised to 2 minus 8. We have copied this term as it is. Now x raised to 3 into x plus 4 minus 4x raised to 3 minus 3x raised to 2 minus 8 the term. So now the term is minus 4x raised to 3. To get minus 4x raised to 3, multiply x plus 4 by 13x and subtract 52x. What we have to do, we have to multiply this divisor by 13x and subtract 52x. So we will do the same. This term, for first term x raised to 4, we have written this, so we will copy as it is up to this, x raised to 3 into x plus 4 minus 4x raised to 2 into x plus 4 minus 13x into x plus 4 minus 52x and minus 8. Now here you can see the term is what? Minus 52. Okay, we have converted up to second term. Now the last term is minus 52x. To get term minus 52x, multiply x plus 4 by minus 52 and add 208. What we have to do, to get this term we have to multiply x plus 4 by minus 52 and we have to add 208. We will copy up to this term as it is. So x raised to 3 into x plus 4 minus x raised to 2, 4x raised to 2 into x plus 4 plus 13x into x plus 4. Now what we will do, we will multiply by minus 52 to x plus 4 and we will add 208 and this minus 8 as it is. Now if you can observe, you can see this x plus 4 bracket is common over here. So we will take it commonly, x plus 4 we take common and the remaining terms are x raised to 3 minus 4x raised to 2 plus 13x minus 52 and this 208 minus 8 is 200. Now this 200 is what? The last term is always the remainder, so 200 is the remainder and term before the remainder is the quotient. So x raised to 3 minus 4x raised to 2 plus 13x minus 52 is the quotient. Okay, so quotient is x raised to 3 minus 4x raised to 2 plus 13x minus 52 is the quotient and remainder is 200. Okay, so we have solved the question number 5 by both the methods of division. First one is the synthetic method of division and second one is the linear method of division. You have to copy down these examples in your notebook. Pause the video and copy down, otherwise take the screenshot and copy down. If you are completely knowing it, then you can write by your own. We will solve the last question of your practice set 3.3 after that. See the last example of your practice set, that is example number 6. We have to do the same again. We have to solve or divide the polynomial by synthetic and linear method. See here the dividend is y raised to y power 3 minus 3y power 2 plus 5y and minus 1. This is already in the descending form of the polynomial. So coefficient form for this is, here is nothing, that is 1, here is minus 3 plus 5 and minus 1, 1 minus 3, 5 and minus 1. Divisor is what? Divisor is y minus 1. Here the number is minus 1, the opposite of minus 1 is plus 1. Now we will solve it by synthetic method of division. Firstly we will draw a vertical line, then the horizontal line. We will write this opposite of minus 1, 1 over here above this vertical line. Now in the first row we will write the coefficients. Coefficients are 1, minus 3, 5 and minus 1. So this 1 from the first row as it is copied down to the third row. this 1 and into this 1 is 1, minus 3, 1 is minus 2. Now this minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, so 5 minus 2 is 3. Now this 3 into 1 is 3, minus 1 and 3 is minus 2. So 1, minus 2 and 3 at the last term is always the remainder. Okay, keep in mind the last term which I have squared, always the remainder. The quotient is, so y is the what coefficient for the quotient, so y raised to 2. 2 is the coefficient, so 2y, and this 3 as it is. So quotient is y raised to 2 plus 2 minus 2y plus 3, and remainder is 2. This is the synthetic method of division. Now for the same example, linear method of division. See, here the dividend is y raised to 3 minus 3y raised to 2 plus 5y minus 1. First term is y raised to 3. Now to get this term, what we have to do? We have to multiply to this divisor by y square, and we have to add y square. So for the first term we will do y square multiply by y minus 1 plus y square. Now this term as it is 3y square plus 5y minus 1. We copied this as it is. So see, y square y into y minus 1 minus 2y square plus 5y minus 1. See this y square and y square. 3 minus y square is 2y square, and this as it is. Now the term is minus 2y square. To get this term, we will multiply y minus 1 by minus 2y, and we will subtract minus 2y. So see, this term will be as it is y square into y minus 1 minus, we will multiply by 2y. So 2y into y minus 1, and we will subtract 2y. So 2y, and this 5y minus 1 as it is. So see, if we further simplify it, y square multiply by y minus 1 minus 2y multiply by y minus 1, and here is minus 2y and plus 5y is plus 3y minus 1. Now the term is what? The term is 3y. Okay. To get the term 3y, we will multiply y minus 1 by 3, and we will add 3. So up to these two terms we will copy as it is. Y square multiply by y minus 1 minus 2y multiply by y minus 1 plus, we will multiply by 3 into y minus 1, and we will add 3 plus 3, and this minus 1 as it is. Now this y minus 1, y minus 1, y minus 1, these three are we will take in common. So y minus 1, remaining terms are y square, this minus 2y plus 3, and 3 minus 1 is plus 2. Okay, so here 2 is the remainder, the last term is always the remainder, and the term before the remainder is the quotient. So quotient is y square minus 2y plus 3. So we have got the both. Quotient is y square minus 2y plus 3, and remainder is 2. You can compare for the both the methods, the answers are same, remainder and quotient are same. This is the same example, but we solved it by the different method. First is the synthetic method of division, and second one is the linear method of division. Here we have completed your practice at 3.3. Okay, practice as much as you can. Okay, if you will practice more, it will be so easier for you. Maths is the subject which need practice. Thank you. Keep studying.